Hi. Today we're going to tell you about the best time to hire a Google AdWords professional service. As your online presence increases, or as you bid for more keywords, DIY measures may not be enough anymore. By then, PPC advertising would require much more than simply choosing the right keywords for a product. Let's get started. Signs you may need a Google AdWords Pro. You are flatlining at 5% revenue growth. For PPC ads to be considered successful, they should bring at least 15% revenue. If you can't seem to go past 5%, it's time to hire a pro. You failed to get a good list of keywords. A Google AdWords expert will help you get a good keyword list and build your negative keyword list as well to prevent attracting the wrong demographic. Qualities to expect from a Google AdWords expert. High level of expertise. Some businesses focus on e-commerce, some on physical stores, or a mix of both. Find a professional who can integrate your in-store and online efforts or specialize in your specific niche. Service at a reasonable price. Get a Google AdWords specialist that offers their services for a reasonable price. Don't just pick who can provide the cheapest fees, because you might not get quality service. Those competent with their skills will charge a reasonable amount that would be well worth the price once PPC campaigns start flying off successfully. In addition, ask if they offer a complimentary analysis or a no-cost short-term test. Reliable references. Finally, ask the Google AdWords specialist for their portfolio, along with references or past project managers that can vouch for their service. You can also ask past employers or project managers if they were satisfied with the pro services. A reputable track record goes a long way with something as crucial as a PPC campaign. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.